Long polling in Python with Flask. I'm trying to do long polling with jQuery and Python under the Flask framework. Having done long polling before in PHP, I've tried to go about it in the same way. A script/function that has a while true loop, checking for changes periodically e.g, every 0.5 seconds in the database, and returns some data when a change occurs. So in my ini.py I've created an app.root to /poll for jQuery to call. jQuery gives it some information about the client's current state, and the poll function compares this with what's currently in the database. The loop is ended and returns information when a change is observed. Here's the Python code. The problem is that when the code above starts polling, the server appears to be overloaded and other AJAX calls, and other requests like loading a loading image to the HTML using jQuery are unresponsive and time out. For completion's sake, I've included the jQuery here. Does this need to multi-thread it or something? Or does anyone have any idea why I'm experiencing this behavior? Thanks in advance. Smile.
Just as the link at Robfi mentioned, your Flask app is just overload. That's because a Flask app is in single threading mode by default when running with app.run, so it can only serve one request per time. You can start multi-threading with or using a WSGI server like Gunicorn, or WSGI to serve Flask with multi-processing. Hopes you're enjoying with Python and Flask.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.